Get this exclusive lilac purple designer turban, okay? Get it free. All you have to do is go onto YouTube and search very stylish, ordinary people and subscribe. Then from there, you're going to go into the video section of that channel and you're going to click on popular. And if you scroll down really quickly, you will see Angela Simmons short girl style tips featuring Angela Simmons. All you have to do is hit like on that video and enter words lilac purple turban. So we're giving away prizes to the first 1,000 people who subscribe and like the video and so forth. So go ahead and get this turban. It's amazing. Every time I wear it, I have like all the colors. And every time I wear it, people stare at me. They really, really love it.